Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Hello mga kaistorya! Welcome back to At Home with Mardy, where we discover the beauty, meaning, and hidden stories behind the simplest things in everyday life. From ordinary objects to extraordinary insights, each story is a reminder that even the smallest details can teach us something meaningful. So sit back, relax, and let's explore today's story together. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Have you ever held something so ordinary that you never stopped to question it? A small tool quietly sitting in your drawer, used, forgotten, then used again. The nail clipper. But look closer. At the end of it, there's a tiny round hole. So simple, so easy to ignore, yet it holds a purpose that has quietly stood the test of time. Today, we uncover the story behind one of the smallest but smartest design details you use every day. At first glance, a nail clipper feels like the definition of simplicity: compact, durable, reliable. But hidden in its design is something most people never notice: that tiny round hole, a detail so small yet so intentional. This hole wasn't added by accident. It reflects a time when tools were designed not just to work, but to fit seamlessly into daily life. Practical, portable, thoughtful. With a small hole, your clipper becomes part of your everyday carry, attached to a keychain, lanyard, or bag. Always within reach, always ready. It also allows the clipper to be stored properly, hung in a clean, dry place. A simple way to stay organized and maintain better hygiene. Some even use it creatively for better grip, easy storage, or personal customization. Proof that even the smallest feature can have many uses. In a world full of complex innovations, we often overlook simple brilliance. But sometimes, the most meaningful designs are the ones quietly working in the background, like that tiny round hole in your nail clipper. A small detail that still matters today. Because in life, it's often the smallest things that make the biggest difference. Thank you for watching At Home with Mardy. If you enjoy this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in our next story, where simple things tell powerful stories. Daghang salamat!